Brno, the city in the Czech Republic and the center of excellent scientific research. About 70 kilometers from Brno, in an industrial zone near Buchlovice, we find the premises of BD Sensors. BD Sensors has not only an almost 30-year history, but also is home to the world's leading pressure measurement technology. Now their products are heading straight into space. We started in 1993 with the idea that we would only focus on pressure measurement. That was true until 2013. Then we became involved in a project that was heading into space. We thought that would be interesting for us for the sake of prestige, so we started working on that. Since we had no experience in that respect, we teamed up with s.r.o in Kroměříž to get so-called space heritage. In 2017, we merged and founded the Space BD Sensors division, where we focus on electronics for any field connected with space. At the same time, we need to sell pressure gauges for use in space. For this reason, the BDSAT project was created in 2019. We are now finalizing the project, and it will take off with Elon Musk's Falcon 9 rocket in April. BDSAT is a nanosatellite for verifying experimental orbital sensor systems. It is a project whose goal is to design and produce CubeSat in the size of 1 unit. This project has been supported by the Ministry of Industry and Trade under the TRIO program. The co-investigator of the project is the Brno University of Technology, which is involved in the development of the satellite and will also be the base station for communication with the satellite, its command and data download. Once all pre-launch tests are completed, the satellite will be integrated into the deployer at the selected launch provider. BDSAT will be carried to Earth orbit by SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket in April 2022. This project has been underway since 2019 and altogether involves about 20 people. The BDSAT mission is named after our company and is unique in a number of ways. From a business point of view, I would like to mention in particular the fact that this project has been implemented with our company as a private entity. It is not an extraordinary consortium of many scientific institutions. During this mission, we will want to demonstrate to our customers and also to ourselves that our pressure sensors are of such high quality that they are able to perform their function successfully, not only in terrestrial applications, but also in the demanding conditions of space. This means coping with huge doses of radiation, extreme thermal shocks, and also surviving a rocket launch where they will face huge vibration and shock effects. From a commercial point of view, I would like to point to the extraordinary success in the tender that our company won and was awarded a huge contract for supply, developing and producing pressure sensors for space applications. This is the iHub mission, where our sensors should succeed in the applications of a habitable module that is to be part of an international station that is due to start orbiting the Moon in a few years. The idea that a Czech company is able to deliver technologies that are recognized by the global community in this demanding market is of course pleasing to us. We are looking forward to the moment when pressure sensors from BD sensors will orbit the moon and support such a mission as iHub.
A zajišťovat takovou misi, jako je mise iHub.
The design, manufacture and testing of equipment for the space program is the joint endeavor of several entities, one of which is SATEC BUT, located on the large premises of the Brno University of Technology.
Co se týká spolupráce,
as far as the cooperation with BD Sensors is concerned, in my particular case, it is a history that goes back to 1980, when I co-founded the Department of Microelectronics at the Faculty of Electrical Engineering. One of the first graduates was Karel Mareček, who soon after graduation became self-employed and founded the company BD Sensors, which has been a great industrial partner for us, both in direct research cooperation as part of economic contracts and in common projects funded, for example, by the Ministry of Industry and Trade.
Ministerstvem průmyslu a obchodu.
Here we are in the Experimental Satellite Laboratory, which is part of the Department of Radio Electronics. Here we are building parts for experimental satellites. We also have a telemetry and command station here, where we collect telemetry from satellites and also command those satellites. The BDSAT satellite is a CubeSat of about 1 kilogram. The main payload is being built by BD Sensors. It consists of 2 experiments. First, it will test supercapacitors to serve as a power source. Secondly, there are pressure sensors that will be tested in space conditions to gain a space-qualified certificate, which means they are able to operate in a space environment.
Jsou schopné pracovat v kosmickém prostředí.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission and liftoff with Transporter 4. Pitching downrange.
The Falcon 9 rocket of the American company SpaceX is just being launched. Congratulations to the company BD Sensors.